Hello, today we learn how to create an email account without a mobile phone and email address. So first of all, we have to create search how to create email account. Click on the first link. Just put your first name and last name. I am just putting my first name and last name, and you just put some username for your email. This should be unique. So I am putting it IT expert IsmailRana. So don't use the below, use my email address instead. Just put the username above, and then you just put the password. Confirm your password. Okay, then click on the next button. So the phone number is optional. You don't need to provide this phone number. And email recovery email is also optional. So don't put this email ID. Put this your month, date of birth, month, day, year, and enter your gender. You can, if you do not want to provide, you can just rather you just click your gender, then click on this next button. After this you will get the privacy and terms condition. You can, if you want to click on more options, you can preview, or if you want to send the reminders, otherwise you can just click on I agree button, and your account is now ready to use. This icon is showing the account information. Click on this manage account. You can change your image by clicking person information. Click on this image to change your picture. Add profile picture, just upload it. Choose photo to upload. Okay, click on it. Open. File is loading. You can set it as your profile picture. And for the authentication, two-factor authentication, you just click on the security button, and here we have two options. First is we can use your phone to sign in. This is basically, it will send a notification to your phone. You can use it, but we are using the second method, two-factor authentication. So I'm using this two-step verification. So basically I'm just putting it, showing you again. Click on this two-step verification. Click on it, and then click on get started. It will ask you to password. Enter your password and click on the next button. Enter your password. I'm entering my password and click on next button. Here you can enter your phone number. It will send you a text message depending on your option. Okay, next. It will send you a 6-digit code. You have to enter this code. I have got this code on my phone. Just entering and click on next button. Okay, now click on this turn on. Now my two-step verification is activated. No one can sign in to my account without this verification code.